Hi students, now I am going to discuss about files and our topic is the writing and reading operations on file. Let's begin the session. As I mentioned in the previous session, we have to open a file before reading and writing operations. Look at this slide. This is the program for open a file and read the file. Okay, so for opening a file, we use the function open. The parameter of the open file are the file name, that is 1.txt, it's a text file, and next parameter is a mode, file mode. So we have already discussed about different modes of file operations like read mode, write mode, append mode, right? So this R indicates read mode. So this file 1.txt is opened in the mode read. Okay, so next in the next line we have the read function. Read function is used to read the content from a file. So here print of a dot read. So the a is the file pointer which is initialized here using the open function, and read function is used to read the file of 1.txt. After reading the file, we have to close the file using the close function. Okay, so when we execute this code, we will get welcome to Python programming. This is the content of 1.txt file. So using the file pointer, this read function read the content from 1.txt and print into the console. Then look this slide. If you want to write a content into the file, we can use the write function. Here in the second line we have the write function with the file pointer f dot write of hello world. So this text, that is hello world, write into the opened file, that is 1.txt. So we have to open a file before writing function. So f is equal to open of 1.txt and the mode is A for append mode. So all of you please note that when you open a file for writing, the mode should be either write mode or append mode. Okay, so here the 1.txt file opened in the append mode, and in the second line the content hello world is write into the 1.txt file. Okay, after writing the file we have to close the file using the close function. F is the file operation. So the output is like this. We have a file 1.txt. It is opened in the notepad. So the content hello world is write into the 1.txt file. Next, let's discuss a problem. The problem is write a Python program to write the content high Python programming for the existing file. For this problem, we have first of all we have to open a file, existing file. That is, for that we write the code f is equal to open of 1.txt comma w. W means w is the file mode for writing. So this 1.txt file is opened in the writing mode. Okay, after opening we have write function f dot write of high Python programming. So the content is high Python programming. This content will write into 1.txt when this line of code is executing. Okay, then after writing the file we have to close the file using close function. So the output will be high Python programming in hello 1.txt file. Okay, so this is the output of the program. And I will give one for information for you. If you want to write multiple lines like hello world, in the next line hello Python program, we have multiple lines as a content. So we can use write line function instead of write function, write line function instead of write function. And for reading multiple lines, we can use read line function. Okay. Moreover, in read function, if you want to specify the length of the characters, we can use a read function, and we can pass the number of characters like 5 or 6 or 7 in as the parameter in the read function. For example, a dot read of 5. That means the read function read first 5 letters from the file. For example, here first word is welcome, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we give a dot read of 5, the output is WELCO. The first 5 letters from the beginning, the first 5 characters read from the file. So we can specify different positions in the read function as the argument. If you doesn't give any information as the argument in the read function, the read function reads entire content from the file. Got the idea? I will repeat. When we specify the position as an argument in the read function, we will get the content until that position from that file. Okay, when we doesn't specify any position in the read function, it returns the entire content from the file. This is all about the read and write function on files. Hope you understand the session. Thank you.